In this video, I'm going to show you the most beautiful and easiest way how to decorate Easter eggs with nature colors. You will be surprised what kind of safe natural dyes we will use today. It can cook even a child of primary school age. How to check that our dyes are really safe? It's enough to remove the eggshell from the egg and see its protein is really snow white. Look! For the preparation of dyes, we will use today the defrosted berries of black currant, red currant and sea-buckthorn. It's important to dry the boiled eggs before painting. Please rate this video if you like this or even if you don't like. Your opinion is very important for me. Stay with us. To subscribe to the channel, click on the circle with my photo in the center of the screen and on the bell to receive notifications of the release of new videos at the channel. This is especially true when new videos with gifts and contents for the channel audience appear. See you in new videos.